up, YouTube? We are at Rusi, Dumaguete City. It is early morning. We come here to get some parts. So I will see you inside. Good morning, YouTube. How's everyone doing today? We are here at Rusi. We are doing a little bike inspection. We are kind of looking at the new bikes today. I am thinking about getting a new bike. I don't know if I want to wait for the 600 or if I know it's going to go ahead and get one of these 200s or 250s. I'm sorry. They got all sorts of different types here today. They got some nice bikes here. How you doing?
I'm good.
I'm just making a video on my YouTube channel today. Yeah, my wife's trying to talk me into getting her one of these little Royals. She wants one of these little things. I told her we'll get one as soon as we buy our house. You like the black and your gray, honey? Do you? That's a nice one there. I like this one, honey. 200cc dirt bike. This would be a real nice one right here. We got the classic 250. Very nice. It's got an oil cooler on it. Well, so it goes into the crank down here. We got a new Bandit 2 or 150. But I have a lot of subscribers wanting to know about the Chariots. These Chariots are pretty darn nice. Back up in Himalato, where there's a lot of mountains, everybody says those guys flip them up there because they load them down with a bunch of rock and gravel, and it makes the front end light, and they try to go up a hill and they flip these things over backwards all the time up there in the mountains. But they're generally overloaded when they do that. They overload these things and they flip them over backwards.
Job 11:7-9. Makatugib ka ba sa mga misteryos sa pagmamahal sa Diyos?
Here's the 200. I like the red 250 right here.
This is why we are one. Trust the word of God. The Lord all your heart and all not of your own understanding. The imagination of God will be found out. That's how brothers do
And they got this one with the dual shocks. That's really nice. Every one of these got dual shocks on them. And it looks like they got some used motorcycles over here. I don't know how much these are. They're either repos or used. I'm not sure which. Kind of dark in here. It's still early. I come here early to get all the parts. I like coming here. That way all the ladies are back there having a meeting. Every time you come in here, they always flock you. Hello. He is the mechanic here, Dudong. He builds motors for Rusi. He's very good at what he does. Let's look at the 250 a little closer here. It looks like a 160 rear tire. But yeah, I have a lot of people wanting to know about these chariots. I think this one is a, what is it? 175. And I'm guessing this is high range and low range, probably. Yeah, probably a high range and low range. You got your gear shift. And you got a little toolbox right here. I guess this is your emergency brake or parking brake. I do believe they make these into a 250. I'm pretty sure. But don't quote me on that because I'm not really for sure. And the ladies are over there doing their meetings this morning before work. The place was just a little after 8. The place doesn't open up till 9 o'clock here in Dumaguete. This is the main store. That's a very nice bike there. But Agnes is trying to talk me into getting her one of these. She wants to go riding around with her friend. I told her we'll get her one. She promised she won't go out and kill herself. I don't know how she does on a bike. I've never seen her ride. Neptune. These Neptune 125s are not bad. These are nice looking bikes.
Through the word of God, Bible, which is of why our Lord Jesus said, man does not live by bread alone, but by every word that comes from the mouth of God. But
once we get our house, I'm gonna get me some sort of dirt bike. Probably one of these. These are nice bikes, and they're fairly close. The reason I liked getting Rusi is we got the main store right here. You do not have to order parts. Generally, they have every part you need for just about every motorcycle in this building. They have it all right here. You don't have to, all the other smaller stores, they got to order the parts from here, and it takes about a month to get any part. I've always priced parts for my bike when I had bought it over in Cebu. Everybody told me it's going to take a month to get this part, don't take a month to get that part. I just said, the heck with it. I just drove to Dumaguete and got the part. So living in Dumaguete, it really makes it nice. Makes it very nice. Agnes is trying to make a deal on a bike right now. Honey, how much for the little bikes now?
This one,
Yeah,
45,000, sir.
45,000. Do you like that one? You like that one? Okay. 45K for the little automatic now. At one point, I got a quote last year, 32. They said they'd give me a deal, but now it's gone up a little bit. Plus, the lady's trying to make her commission and whatnot. Okay, guys, we are getting ready to go to the mountains. We're going to take the motorcycle and some of the parts back to the house, and we will catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.